Differences over who will be their prime ministerial candidate seem to be surfing to the fore within the NDA after Yashwant Sinha asked, in fact, demanded that it publicly be announced as Modi as prime ministerial candidate. Ram Jethmalani has also joined in, saying that Modi is the best candidate for prime ministership for the NDA. This even as Shiv Sena, on the other hand, has said that Sushma Swaraj would be a better choice.
The whole world, the Indian nation today is ready to have Narendra Modi, except of course some few detractors who think that they are masters of secularism, but they don't understand.
You said that he's an impeccable example of being a secular leader.
Absolutely.
What about the allies like JDU, sir? My last question to you. I will not trouble you. Will the party be together?
They have got their own opinions. They may think that they have got 10 other prime ministers concealed somewhere. Let them do it. The public will decide.
Your personal opinion is?
My personal opinion remains the same. Same that I expressed nearly 2 months ago.
हमने बहुत बार ये बात राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष से लेकर हम सब ने कहा है कि उपयुक्त समय पर उपयुक्त निर्णय दिया जाएगा। जब हम लोगों को ये लगेगा कि ये निर्णय करने का समय है, तो पहले तो निर्णय ये करेंगे कि प्रोजेक्ट करना कि नहीं करना, फिर निर्णय ये करेंगे प्रोजेक्ट करना तो किसे करना, लेकिन उपयुक्त समय पर उपयुक्त फोरम पर उपयुक्त निर्णय कर लिया जाएगा।
शिवसेनेमध्ये सदैव बाळासाहेबांची सूचना, बाळासाहेबांची भूमिका हा आदेश म्हणून आम्ही मानलेला आहे। बाळासाहेबांनी सुषमा स्वराज यांना आशीर्वाद दिलेले आहेत आणि त्या भूमिकेत अजून तरी काही बदल झाला असं मला वाटत नाही। उद्धवजींचं सुद्धा हीच भूमिका आहे आणि ती उद्याच्या मुलाखतीत मला स्पष्ट दिसेल। प्रधानमंत्री पदावरती NDA मध्ये चर्चा झाल्याशिवाय नाव जाहीर करू नये।